Hey friends, Phil Nightingale, General Manager of Mel Hamilton Ford. Are you looking for a dependable used car, truck, or SUV?
With over 350 vehicles in stock at one location, Chevy, Toyota, Kia, Dodge, every make and model, not just Fords. Let us help you find the right vehicle that fits your family and your budget. Every used vehicle on our lot is inspected by a certified technician because we care.
Mel Hamilton Ford, taking care of the community since 1984. Come out today or check us out online at mhford.com. Experience the difference.